Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are doing well at home. It's your English class and today we are going to do some worksheets that are find the pictures related to the given letters. Means we have to find out the friends of the given letters. Let's see. This is the first worksheet. Find and circle the things that start with letter S. Means we have to find out the friends of letter S. The first picture is of the sun, ice cream, umbrella, egg, strawberry, elephant, ink, snake. So as we know that the beginning sound of sun and s is the same, just like sun. So sun is the friend of letter s. We will circle it like this. Next is ice cream, umbrella, egg, no. Strawberry. Strawberry. Look, their beginning sounds are same. So we will circle strawberry like this. Now what about elephant? Do they have same beginning sound? Elephant. No. So these two are not friend. Elephant is not the friend of letter S. We will find the next friend. Ink. No. Snake. Yes. Snake. Snake is the friend of letter S. So we will circle it like this. The next worksheet is find and color the things that start with letter A. Now you have to find the friends of letter A and then color them, like I have done in this picture. This is an umpire. Umpire is the friend of letter A. Do you know who is umpire? I will tell you. Umpire is a person that makes sure the game is being played fairly and no rules are broken. You must have seen umpire in a match. So umpire is the friend of A, that's why I colored it. Now you will find out the other friends of letter A and color them. I will just tell you the names of the pictures. It's egg, igloo, umbrella, up, ink, under. Next worksheet is find and circle the things that start with letter E. On this worksheet you have to circle the friends of letter E. The names of the pictures are ice cream, elephant, snake, injection, umbrella, ink, insect, igloo. Last worksheet is find and color the things that start with letter A. On this worksheet you have to color the friend of letter A. For example, A, elephant, you will color the elephant and then find the other friends also. It's injection, elephant, egg, igloo, envelope, duck, tree, engine. That's it. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.